Yo, yo, yo. Hold on the chat. We don't even have much time, dog. Almost 8:30. Hold on, let me see something. I'm mic so loud, bro. Let me push this back. Nah, lie, still goal at do some crazy movements. Our time now, 8:10. So we have around 20 minutes left. Alright, chat. So I'm just running analysis, bro. I'm stop waste time. As I forget the levels them mark up. I forget the levels them mark up before news. But yeah. Yesterday we never get a trade though, cause market never line up properly, so I'm just call it a stream. Let me see. Oh, good. Alright. So chat, we'll start from the monthly time frame, isn't it? As usual. That music is too loud. Let me turn this down. Let me focus. Put your thing. Alright, good at 8. Alright chat, so we'll start from the monthly time frame. And I already know I don't usually mark up, I just like I always just take a look at the higher time frame. You see me? But monthly time frame, I think the last time I checked with it kinda like we almost flip with it like at like 61 levels, 40, 61. But now market start to push back up. And even it's a 5-minute candle chat. Hold on, I'm showing you this, bro. It's like while I get ready for stream, you see this 5-minute candle start drop out of nowhere, bro. One 5-minute candle push 180 pips. And as I can see, we basically push straight back up above the range. So that's a lot of movements and news never forward out yet. But yeah, try. As I'm say, I might just take a look at the monthly time frame. Still bullish. On the weekly time frame, we're bullish same way. We'll re-break the previous weekly candle highs as well. 3 days and 9 hours will also print a low on the weekly candle. So now I'm gonna get this pen. I'm gonna use this so I can hopefully not hear me though. Put this over here so. Alright, chat. So yeah, as I'm gonna say, weekly candle re-break the previous weekly candle high, so that go if we still like if we start to close above, if we close and stay above like 61, not 61, 36, 41, 36, if we actually get closure above this level, you know, start to bring structure, price could even drive up further. But this is our daily time frame. Previous yesterday we closed bullish. As I can see, the previous daily candle closed bullish. This are the range of the inner from like this level right so. No, let me use the other one. When I like use that one there. That one there evil. It's kinda harder to draw with that. So chat, as I said, we have a level right here so that did the support, this did the resistance. You can see price push up. We break out yesterday, close above the range. Then after this candle, the current daily candle push down, print a bottom wick on the candle now will flip back bullish. You see me? And you can see if like 5-minute candle did drive down. I think that are the daily candle low. If let me make sure. When I identify this, I'm put a line right up on the daily candle low, go up on the 5-minute time frame and see something. Was it? No, it was all the way there, so. Alright, so I never that. So I basically retest for retest, cause this did that the daily candle low right as a chat. You see me? Price basically push up, fall back down, push up, fall back down. Retest the highs them and then retest the lows. And then we close back above the range, cause now we get a closure above. But yeah, I'm gonna ask well I'm gonna go back though, I'm gonna go back. When I reach this again. Hold on, hold on. Think we did on the daily time frame? No, the 4 hour. Which time frame did I analyze just now, chat? Oh yeah, a weekly time frame did I show you something fine. No. It's like, oh yeah, ideally see it. So right here, so chat. Right here, so we did there. So as I say, this previous daily can go break out a range, push back down, we grab liquidity at 41.13. So me don't know, man, wait and see if we can actually get closures above the range check. You see me? If we can like get like closures above the range for like the 15 or the 30-minute time frame, and the candle start for reject, say for reject, print more wick below, and then flip back bullish, we could look for buys going up towards like, when I say go up towards, yeah, so this would have been like the next resistance check, and we'd have to watch out for like this level. But once price re-break the current daily candle highs, we would have been good. You see me? So some look by it, bro. It's like, let me see like the exact levels them. We have a level at the re-break of the daily candle high is at 41.56. You see me? And we also have them here to the left. You see me, chat? We have them rejection here to the left. So this is the thing though. Even if we put a line on the re-break of the daily candle high, right? So basically if price will push back up and re-break the daily candle highs, we have clean range going up towards, let me see the exact level, 4177.88. You see me, so I told me that try for sell call if you never understand. So yeah, that's the price print like a bottom wick like this, and once price flip back bullish, we would have look for put buy stop on the candle flip, and would expect a look a range fill chart. You see me? But yeah, we'd have to like wait though and see if we can get closures above the range from like the 30-minute or the 15-minute time frame. You see me? But hold on, let me see something. Yeah, that's my bad chat. Maybe I'll pick up something like a while, but say chat, that open pre the daily time frame, you see me? So we drop down to the 4. As you can see, the 4 hour time frame, right? The first thing we notice was a range. After a range, price push up. Then after we push back down. Now if I look on the current 4 hour candle, we print a lower flip back bullish and we start to push up. But this is the thing, when you close above nothing yet chat. So this can still flip bearish. You see me? This 4 hour candle right, so we have a level right, so. And we have another we have like a low right there, so you see me, 41.27 and 41.10. That's a level where we have. So it's like, if you look on the previous 4 hour candle, the previous 4 hour candle will close bearish below. You see me? So after we close bearish below, this candle print a low flip bullish, but this is the thing, we still got 40 minutes left chat. With this candle can just print a high, cause we have like levels right, so where price was able to reject from in our past. But I'm sure I'm gonna use this. So we have them rejection levels there over here, so check 43 levels. Why this red? I'm gonna change the color. So we have rejection levels at 41, 43.87. You see me? In the past, price was able for like reject from this level and forward down and fill the range. Sometimes we even break the range. So it's like this can't go chat, this can't go no close yet. So this could just be a high for flip bearish. And if this can't go flip bearish, I probably would have look for sales going down towards the range fill. I use the previous candle wick to my advantage. You see me? Hold on. Say chat. If that for happen, if we print a top wick, flip back bearish, yeah, that's similar for sales. Where I try to use like the previous candle wick to my advantage. That would be what? That's like 100 people range. So we have to like, chop the range a little bit. Cause whenever I range them that like massive chart, I don't normally hold the entire range. You see me? Sometimes like price we forward out and just push. Like you see, if we make like a quick push, like we just pop straight down, then that different. But usually make even for anywhere from like 30 to like 50 pips off our trade. But our range is like over 100 pips. So most likely we would have like we are manage risk early. That's 170 pip range. But yeah, if I drop down to like the hourly candle, and bear in mind that are just ideas, chat. You see me? That are just ideas. I not really I have like 10 minutes left. I not really I don't really that the levels that I gonna use. That are just like idea what would I do if this 4 can go flip back bearish. You see me? So I'm gonna delete them there. So the next idea though, chat, is like this can go we not have to flip bearish though. You see me? But this are the thing. Me not look for no buyers just yet. In order for me take buys, we have need to see this can go close back above the range. So if we can close back above, then we will probably take buys above the range and we will wait for a range to break out. So for example, if price push up, see like I'm gonna move that wrong one. Just use this. Put that bar right there. So say this can go push up chat and we'll close above the range. You see me? Mode to take buys and the first closure above more rate for a range 2 breakout. Basically what I mean by that, say when price close above the range, more wait for the next candle like open up. We'll use this. Yo, fuck that time what here dog. Get that off on my chart. Sorry. If this candle push up close above range 1, cause look we have a resistance right here, you see me? So if we close above the first range, we will wait for price like reject. If we can even get a little bearish closure, that would be good. Once that start to happen, price start to push back down, retest, see if that will happen chat, and then we get the next candle we push all the way back up and close above range 2, right here, so? Cause remember, you know, this first level of my draw, this did I first range price breakout at this range right here, so? And then after price breakout at first range, this is second range right as you see me say any break above range 2 right as a chat, I'm gonna look for buys to continue up. Because it's like you see if price I go print a fake out, usually I go print a fake out above range 1. You see me? So basically it's just like an extra confirmation for wait for price to do something like this. Close above range 1, push back down. And then if you mind should close above the high for a second time right so, this would have be range 2 buys. But this right as a chat, this a range 1 buys. And this make a avoid. You see me? So that would have been the idea. See la. So you chat, that would have been the idea. You see me? Hopefully not too hard for you understand, but yeah bro. So if I look for buys, I look for range 2 buys, and if he sells them, I would wait and see if this hourly can manage to flip bearish. You see me chat? If this hourly can go manage to flip bearish, now we're back into the range, and that would have just be a lower high. Cause we have this are the hourly can go flip right here, so you see me? We have a level right here, so from 31, 41, 31 go down towards the weak fill this hour. Now put it up right here, so. So the level, this are the range. Like if this only can go for flip back bearish. Now this are the range we're in. From 27.41.27 down towards 41.13. You see me? So we could look to take advantage of that range going down. But that if price manage to print like a lower high, you see me? If this can just be a lower high and we respect this level we have right here, so then yeah, that would have be ideal, chat. But we are just wait and see. Like, me have both ideas. That's some always go into a day them, bro. Me have idea for buys and me have idea for sells. So it's not like any one of them fall first. Me look for like execute on it. Me don't only have like one idea, chat, you see me? So wherever price go. But we have news in the next 5 minutes. You see me? So me I do chat, me I mark out some levels real quick. And so cause me don't want to use forward out, I'm gonna have my levels then mark up. So with that in mind, with the idea in mind, I just mark up some levels real quick. Just break down like both idea for like buys and sells, but well, I'm gonna hurry up before this news can go forward out, bro. Make sure I get this right too. It's like low. This would be the range fill. Put this right there, so 41.15. Put another line on the hour, it can go flip. Cause we have a range right as at 41.29. 7.77. Now pass. Now pass price I was able to print a high. We usually tap at least 33 levels. 33.65 minimum before price drive down. So I'm put the next line right here. So if price close back below, measure this by the way. It's our 80, this is a whole 80 pip range. So you know, make some slight adjustment. Put that right there, so chat. Put this right there, so I'll adjust this up some more. This is the range I look for take advantage of. You see me? I look for sells below 41.25, go down towards 41.15, and this is like a 80 pip range. You see me? 100 pip to be exact. It's a 100 pip range. And we could look for go break even. We could look for risk free the trade if price manage for top 41.20. This would have been a break even area. Yeah. So that would have been decent. So it's like, I know on the all can go flip again, chat. This all can go out before my tech sells. This all can go would have actually flip bearish, close below. And like my level even that far is like 13 pips away from the flip. No, actually at 36 pips away from the flip. But yeah, what I want to say this can go flip bearish and actually close below, chat. You see me? If it can close below 26, then more look for sales going down. Anything below here, so this would have been my break even area. See you 41.21.42. Once price stop this level, more risk free. Stop loss to break even. Once we fill the previous candle wick, more close full. But that was just like one idea though. That's the sales idea. And bear in mind, we don't usually have one idea the entire stream. Yeah, it depends on how price print. You're gonna see me delete every single level and get some new levels mark up with some new ideas. So this is just the idea we may have for now, chat, that can change in the next 30 minutes. I don't know. It just like when the candle then start print, I normally just adjust the way market I do. You see me? And yeah, I look like I wait for your range 2 closure. So that idea for your sells, idea for your buys, I wait for your range 2 breakout above 51. For the 51, I say a range 2 breakout above yourself. Right, so I already know what is a range 2 breakout. You see me? I'm gonna delete some of the liner. So chat. Yeah. Wanna see when put back this. Put back that right there, so. Yeah. Let me delete this stuff. Alright, say chat. Sales below 26. May I look for sales below 26 and buys above, like, may I look for range 2 buys above 51. So I remember show you, like, if you remember mean by range 2 buys, basically like the second breakout. So it's like this right as the first like resistance, right? So it's like more to take this if price for breakout. If price push up and break this level, more to take no buys. More to wait for price push up, and after price push up, reject. You see me? And for mine for reject, see if price push back up and break the highs them once again, this is now a range 2 breakout and this is a range 1 breakout. So I just dismiss me I go take. Once price break the range for a second time, I look for buys going up. See you in my chat. I look for buys going up. So yeah, that are idea for the buys and that are the idea. I may already explain the idea for the sales them. So now I'm just see how you market print. And as I'm say, bear in mind, we usually adjust based off of how price a move. You see me? So even though this are the idea for now, we might change that like later on. But I think this is a news candle though. It's a news candle. But you try hopefully understand that though. Yeah, we'll just play a waiting game. See what I got going. Oh yeah. Hold on, I'm going so. Oh. You see I think I push up and break the highs, you know. And then reject that fast. I don't even know. Today I win. 3-5. Mm. Basically, I just adjust that to a re-break at the highest shot. You see me? See, I realize say yo we have this at the re-break at the this right here, so at the re-break at the 4 hour candle highs. You see me? So since we have range one right here, so since this right here, so range one, we already have a high and a weak is a range shot. This a weak is a range. So we could have said yeah this is range 2 right here, so you see me? This is range 2 right here, so and this is range 1 right here, so that's why I'm adjust my line up to 41.56. Because we already have a range 2, we even have to like wait for price print to like a rejection because we already reject at 56 levels. So once we close back above this, so we could have look for buys, go up towards 61. Me don't even know, bro. I need some volume in the market though, I'm not gonna lie. I know. How that even possible, bro? So when they, bro, I must AI this. Also, volume in the market check look like a volume has start to pick up still. Just get some time. We have more folder forward out. We have more folder at 9. We have folder at 10. We'll just get some time. Go like a. What I expect go for move today. Bro, this shit don't make sense. I don't know how them people are meds. Meds lifestyle. And yeah. Goal just a range, dog. This shit lame. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. May I go to the road. May I pick up something now forward. Nah, take that long. Sheila, I must enough. No way I need more than that, bro. See, a 5 of them, Miguel. Yeah, eat that. But chat, goal just a range, bro. You see me? Watch this 24/7, bro. Me know it have a pick up still. I will definitely move today. We start move already. 1 5 minute can go push 100 pips and push straight back up. My forward chat. Bro, goal still no move yet. Me go and forward back and no goal no move. Measure. Let me see what this range going up, chat. It's 60. So goal can't push 60 pips out right now. Like so we are printing a structure below either. I'm gonna make sure. You see 9 rectangle and I print no lower. So we just hover in a same spot. But we soon get a closure. That's a good thing still, chat. I get a closure in the next 12 minutes. You see me? Yo, man, for a chat. Hold on. When we have the next folder, we have our next folder at 9 a.m. Now, in next 10 minutes. Trading require a lot of patience in a chat, man. Days like this, bro. The market a range hard. Me I tell you. But me do I just know what the charts, you see me? I just find something else to do while the market a range. I usually like watch a video or something, but me don't want to get copyright, so that's why me I drop. We start to push up, you know. And we like break the highs and continue. Cause the volume kinda dead. The volume kinda dead, man. I like we need to break the highs, and once we break the highs, we're gonna be good, bro. We have news at 9 o'clock, same way. So we're good. We expect gold to move today. I don't like yesterday, bro. I don't like yesterday, we were just volume dead. What like yesterday? I think it start to pick up when we end stream. The volume start to pick up, the buyers then flying. I will be that. Yeah. Bro. Yo, I have to react to this. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted, but that's all. No, I chat me, I react to this. I'm probably gonna get copyright. Look, me, I pull this up for stream. Hold on there. I'm leave with him, I can go hear this though. Hold on, chat, I'm not hear you. What if I get copyright? Hopefully my stream I get copyright, bro.
Try not to laugh worldwide, and today in the USA, subscribers are walking in one by one to try and make me, Adam, and Anwar laugh for $1,000.
This is Try Not to Laugh in Real Life USA edition. You guys ready?
Oh, we're ready.
Bring in the first person.
I can't even hear, bro. Hold on, I'm turning up.
My brother, JJ, my brother. All this time you've been giving £1,000 to many people, huh?
See that dog up on the gram.
Shut up, what is this part of
We are in LA.
Yo, yeah, tell me, man, I do an entire skit on it. I'm gonna say,
As you can see, this bastard is trying to
what?
keep me hostage. You see, to deal with this situation, I'm going to be honest with you. You are finished.
Bro, this is our brain rot content, though, bro. Much brain rot chat. But, bro, goal a range. I just can't look on the ranging market, bro. Can't pay attention to the ranging market, bro. Until we break this high, then I can say, yeah, we're good. The candle above the close, that's why I'm see what going. You want to see how this candle close? Got like a last minute left. I'm put this over here. Got like 20 seconds left, chat. Man, see if this candle can actually close above range one. Look like the volume must start to pick up now still. As soon as I say me I go watch a video, you see that? Oh, close. Hold on. So close respecting. Yeah. Well. Measure range going up front. It can go flip towards just like a 35. That not bad enough. That would have be decent, bro. That would have be decent. Okay, I just make a slight adjustment. But before I do that, I need to see like a steeper width than this chat. When me I pre-chat, it's like from the flip towards towards the range fill. That's like a 30 pip range, you see me? So me I say, yo, this would be bad if we could have look for bias from the candle flip, go up towards the wick fill on the previous hourly candle. But the reason why I'm not activated because I need to see a steeper wick than this chat. So this, I want to see a steeper wick. I want the price push down further than this. So if it flip bullish now and fill the range, then I just stay out. I need like maybe see like a steeper wick than that before I enter in a bias. Whereas the other candle then devil have structure chat. Look that no, this candle have no wick, this candle have no wick. So that make it even worse. I need to see this candle actually print a low. But yeah, chat. If that will happen, then you just look for put. Then you just put bias on the candle flip. You see me? When I put buy stop on the candle flip. Look at we are rebreak the lowest chat. I'm telling you, I just want to surprise, rebreak the lows, print a steeper low, and then me I put buy stop and it can go flip. I just want a steeper low than that. If that fair much chat, it will look something like this. That if it buys from this hourly can go flip, go up towards the wick fill. You see me chat, the previous can go wick fill. But nice. So we rebreak the low and we print a steeper low. So nice. Hold on, let me see something. Alright. Alright. Put a line right there, so. That is so good. Right, so. Alright, chat. So you know me I go to chat? What time? Almost 10 o'clock. Alright, you know me I do chat? Me I put buy stop and this can go flip. See, like how we rebreak the can go lows just now. It's like, if this hourly can go for flip, me I put buy stop and it can go flip. You see me? I wrote about the rebreak of the highs. Hold on, let me check the rebreak of the highs. See which one would be better. Nice. Rebreak of the highs now look three bad, you know. Instead of put buy stop and it can go flip, we could have put buy stop and it can go rebreak of the highs. Let me see though. We can't even draw one line. Yeah. Range going up with a bit. And try to me there shells and a party. Hold on, I'm soon start breaking your chest for make you no understand. Hold on the chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me a forward back. Just give me like 2 seconds. Man, I turn long. Alright, chat, my day back. So let me see what gold though. Hold on, let me see. Let me see what gold up on. So me expect a lower down towards 13 levels. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, chat. Me that expect a low at 43.06. But clearly price break that level. You see me? Me no know like hold on, me see where price reject from. So me adjust my level down towards 38. See where price I reject off of. We have them yeah. So chat, look. You see, the last time, look, I'm showing you this. This is what I just realized just now. You see price reject from 38. You see me? Look right here. So when price reject from 38, we push up, we print a lower high. We never flip back bullish and continue up. We print like a lower high. So we print like structure of them levels, yeah. We print price push up back towards at least this level, right? As a chat. You see me? So it's like before I look for sales chat, I want to see if this candle can actually reject off of these levels, right? So flip back bearish. See if this will happen like price will push back up, flip back bearish, re-break its lows, then we could have look for sales chat. If sales them going down would have be decent. Why? Because it's like we have like it's a bullish trend. You see my price a push up. We print a high right here, so as you can see, this was like the range fill. You see me? We print a high right here, so price forward all the way down. We print a low. As I'm gonna say, if price will reject and continue to reject up towards 44 levels, once we tap 44 levels, if price will push back down, re-break its lows, sells below here, so would that be clean, chat. And the sells below 38 would that be clean for go down towards like the next support level. You see me? Would I say at 34 levels? You see me? So we could have to take advantage of this range going down. But first we need for this structure get printing at this candle. And all structure is chat. It can go push down. Then after it can go push up. Remember we have one little level right here, so when I say I want to see price top. If we manage to print a higher low right here, so push down, re-break its lows. We are looking for sales on the re-break of the lows. Going down towards the next closest support level. What would that be right here, so? Easy as that, chat. You see me? Yeah. So now we can reject that good, cause now this can print structure. You see me? Cause one of this can go for reject back up. And then after I reject back up, then it re-break the lows again. You see me, chat? So the analysis is basically like, so we tap 44, chat. You see me? See how price push up? We tap 38 first, and then price reject, and we tap 44. This is what I talk about. So if price will do something like this and push back down, re-break its lows. If this candle push back down, re-break its lows, it sells them going down, would that be clean? Because now we have structure, you see me? Now this candle have structure. So that would that be like a A plus setup. One of my favorite setup them for take. And you have to do it fast too. Cause if you take it time, if you keep on a hover and like you know just fall down easily and you just take it time, then that would have be like we are still out of that. Cause you want to see price forward back down with like volume. You see me, volume can't be dead. If the volume dead and it just barely a trickle down like so. If the volume dead and it barely a fall down like so. By the time you reach a re-break at the lows, man, nobody look for no sales, bro. Cause you never just forward down with enough volume. You see me like this. So yeah, chat. Yo, just saw your channel on my own page. No joke, appreciate that, bro. Basically, I just live trade every day. Journal my trade. Yeah, just trade live every morning, bro. Document my journey. That's basically it. But yeah, chat. So let me see. We got a minute left until this can go close. Still, the hourly can go still got 46. 30-minute can go still got 16. So we still got time, chat. This 30-minute can go, we still got time. Let's see if we can re-break the lows. And if we start forward close to the re-break of the lows, you're gonna see me adjust my levels them like this, chat. Boom. Hold on, let me measure the range going down from the re-break of the lows to us. I said that's 19. Say that's him put a level right there. Put this up, yeah, so. Yeah. And would I look for sales go down towards 33. Anything below like 36, 38, sorry. Anything below 38, good for go down towards 33 levels. Say I see me adjust my levels them when you get close, chat, but for right now, I leave them or them is. You see me? Move this. As me not like when too much lines up on the chart, chat. Whenever me have too much lines, you legit right, not faking like others. No, bro. I'm not faking anything, bro. I literally live trade. I don't think you can fake a live stream. But look, I have a journal, bro. Every single trade that I take on live, I journal it. I put it in my journal. So you can look at my journal and just go back on the live stream. Like we haven't lost a trade in a whole entire like month. We win 18 trades in a row, and all trades was taken live on YouTube. So you can just watch back the stream if you don't believe, bro. But yeah, I'm legit, bro. I don't sell a course or anything. I just document my journey on YouTube. But yeah, chat. We're close to the rebreak of the lows. I measure that 20 pips, 26 pips away. Yeah, bro. I'm not selling anything, bro. I'm just live streaming. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. My forward. But yeah, chat. Y'all know with you for rebreak the lows. It's a thing. I'm telling you, it depends on how far down, you know, cause we'd have to fall down with volume. We can't just barely push down. Then the idea wouldn't be the same. Alright, I will sub you. It means subscribe. Appreciate that, bro. But yeah, I do know scamming, bro. I just live. Let me show you, bro. I just live stream all my trades, bro, cause whether I live stream or not, I will be trading anyway. View channel. Let me show you, bro. Think I started this like a year ago. All of this just live, bro. See, I had like my journal. This is my journal from like 11 months ago. Just document everything. Day one was 1 year ago. You see me? And this, I literally have a journal from January 2024. This was January 17, 2024. So that's all I do, bro. I just document my journey, bro. I don't sell anything. I don't scam anybody. I don't do none of that. Just live stream on YouTube. Yeah, I trust you, bro. Bro say trust me. But yeah, bro, for real. Bro, hold on, chat. My fault. Alright, chat. I'm there what? I'm playing music. I'm play background music. Alright. Oh no. Hopefully this not too loud, chat. Let me know if the background music too loud. I'm turning it down. Alright. Hopefully background music not too loud, chat, but we re-break the lows. I'm turning it down for my end. Yeah. Alright, chat, so we re-break the lows. As you can see, candle start to push back up. We got 8 minutes left until the 30-minute candle close. Let me see if I put sell stop on the lows. From the lows to the advantage point, that's like 20 pips, so could go risk free. Me like break even the trade, or could I close full on a range fill? Me have hiccup. Hold on, chat. Let me make some adjustment. Put that this so. Put this so. Alright, chat. So this is a new level mode I look for take advantage of, chat. When I look for sells like on the rebreak of the lows. Sells on the rebreak of the lows. Once we tap 4136.69, stop loss to break even, and this would be the range fill 4143.03. Let me measure like the whole entire range. It's like a 42 pip range going down, right? So that will be decent. Let me see. I adjust this and put it right here, so just a little bit higher right here, so Alright, chat. So that are the range mode I look for take advantage of, but would I need to re-break the lows though? I would I need for push down with volume. Like if price barely push down, then would I avoid it? But I would I expect like a top wick. Cause once price close below, look chat. This are the thing. You see if price flip bearish. If price flip bearish chat and we get like a closure below the range, we're gonna need to get a top wick anyways. Yes, in my chat. So it's like, yeah, expect the next candle open up, push up first, print a top wick at 4138.98 minimum. Once we get a top wick tap this level, would I look for put sell stop on the candle flip or place sell stop on the candle rebreak at the lows. This level 41.36 would be risk free, and if price break past 41.36 and push down towards 34 levels, this would have been level close full. So that would have been like the trade chart, and it's a 30 pip range going down. Not 30, sorry, 35. But I use the same strategy of you. Instead of lines, I use zones, and I only use a 15-minute time frame. Only 15 minutes. How, bro? It's like, you know, I never like tried that before. Only trade one time frame. I use all time frame. I use the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, and the 1 minute. Oh chat, we're re-breaking the lows. Let me focus. I'm gonna focus real quick, because if we get a closure below 38, that would have been my sales going down towards 35. We got what, 4 minutes left? Alright, I would say we'll close within 4 minutes. Only the one minute time frame been working for me. Bro, it's like I use all the time frame, bro, and I'm able to maintain an 80% win rate. I never like try use one time frame before. Alright chat, we're re-breaking the lows. I'm looking for sales below, but we need a closure chat. Once we get a closure, if price can push up top 38, it might take a weak interest sell chat. If price open up, first thing price do is push up first. Once we top 38, weak interest sells. We got like 18 seconds. 10 seconds until we get a closure. This 5 minute candle close within 3 minutes. So let me see how we close. So we never close below a chat. We close bullish. We'll close bullish respecting. Cause look, we have a level right here. So we never close bullish back into the range. We close bullish respecting. Cause we have this right here. So yeah, I have just wait chat. I think this can go flip bullish and like the last second, bro. Last second. That's why I'm gonna wait for a closure. The closure important chat. If we not close below, I can't take it. But let's see, we got like 20 seconds left until this can go close. Can we get a closure below? Something like this chat. A closure below, next can go open up, print a top wick, and then flip bearish. Something like this. But I guess not. But whenever the range get filled chat, I just adjust. You feel me? Whenever the range get filled, delete everything and get some new levels and just adjust. You see me? So Yeah, I'm gonna find some new levels real quick, chat. What I expect. We already top 34. From 34 go down. We have more range going down towards 32. But I expect 32 is the next destination. Let me measure the range going down towards 32. It's like a 20 pip range. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. May I forward? Alright. So yeah. But look, chat. Even if we're going to look for cells below 32, we're going to still need to see some type of rejection up towards 37, 41, 37. And the reason for that is because, like, if you use historical data, you can see in the past, every time price closed below 32, 41, 32, before price pushed down, we was able to print a top wick at 36 levels. You see my chat, we print a top wick at 36, price push down. Same thing, this candle we print a top wick, then we fall down and fill the range. Same thing happen right here. So we print a low, we reject, we top 36, think we didn't even break 36 actually, and now we push back down. So that's good, chat. That's like a lower high. That's like structure within the candle. This 15-minute candle actually print like structure on the way down, like something like this. You open up, think we push up first, push down, tap, then we push up, and then we push back down. So this basically happened in this 15-minute candle. You see my chat. But that good, so it's like once we get a closure below, that's all me I wait for. Closure below, and that would have been decent. Got levels all the way down towards. Let me measure this. And if we get cells below, we could look to go break even. Could move stop loss to break even once price stop 41.30. 41.30.87. So I'm put a level right here. Alright, nice. Nice. So can we get a closure below, chat? Can we get a closure below? No. No closure, price just pop and fill the entire range. So basically when that happens, chat, that's not sealer. That's not in my control. Whenever price just pop, fill the entire range, we never even get a closure below. They can go open up right here and we just pop. So all I can do, I just delete everything and get some new levels. Here's my chat. I think we still got range going down. But yeah. Alright, let me see what a 5-minute candle. We still got 3 minutes. Alright, chat. So let me delete everything real quick and get some new levels once again. Chat, that's like, we can't really complain though, cause once we never even get a closure below, you know. If the candle don't even close below and it just fill the range, that's not really me missing a trade, cause the candle never close below the range. It just pops straight down. But if this candle print a high, the rebreak of the lows would be clean. The range going down 18. Could adjust this lower. Measure this. 32. Hold on, chat. I know I'm not really focus on chat right now. As me I try lock in this real quick. That makes sense. That makes sense. Alright, so we still got what? We got like 11 minutes left until the 15 can go close. It's 5-minute can go about for close in a minute. So let's see how we close chat. If we get a bearish closure below, or if this candle going close respected. I wanna see how the candle close first before me so we close respected. Alright. Wait 25 minutes. But this minute candle close respected in chat. Still never close below. Alright chat, so now we're re-breaking the lows. Can we get a closure below though? We got like 10 seconds. Think that could be the 5-minute candle closure as well. Yeah. But this is the thing chat, we're going to still need a top wick. Even if we close below, we're going to still need a top wick. Nice. Could get some wick entry sells chat at this level. Bro, fill the range first. GG's. But me that expect if this can go open up chat, if this can go open up, push up top 41.30 first, we could look for some wick entry sells going down towards the range fill at 41.24. But it can go open up and just pop straight down and fill the range. So now if it flip bullish chat, no wick entry. If we flip bullish, no wick entry. The wick entry idea out the window. Cause we already print a low. This wick entry right here, so might be deadly. Might be deadly, bro. It can still work. But that's no, I did expect like the first initial reaction. Like first candle should have opened up, print a high first. Since we print a low first, we can just push past this high and continue up. But yeah, no man, I just wait and see if we can get a closure below 27. I will still not get no closure below 41.27 as yet. You got a Discord? Yeah, I have a Discord, bro. Senseless FX. You can just add me. I mean, sales from 41.33. 41.33. Oh, nice. Yeah, bro. This was clean, bro. This was a clean level. 41.33. So you get like an entry on like the rebreak of the lows or something. That was a clean setup, bro. It's 50. But what level you had like the TP at? Where was like the TP? 41.28 or 41.24? But that was a clean trade, no joke. Yo, you got Discord? Yeah, bro. Add me. I can add me on Discord, bro. As Senseless FX. Just send me a request, bro. Cause the stream kind of have like a couple seconds delay. So like me usually use Discord call cause the Discord got no delay. So you gotta get like the literal, like the exact same entry as me. Cause the Discord call now have no delay, but YouTube, I think YouTube have like a 5-second delay. It's a nice top wick chat. Can we close below though? Can we close below 41.27? print another minute up week. Still got a minute left. Let me see if this minute can go. We got 30 seconds left on this minute can go. Where the range going down? Range going down 26. Could look to go break even once price stop 41.26. Put that there, sir. And if we not get no closure below, chat, if price just fill the range without even close below the range, then a GG's, bro. GG's. Still got one. This candle got like 40 seconds left, chat. So even though we fill the range on the minute time frame, we probably can still get some sales within of the next 5 minutes. Goal, I say, yo, but tell you that, bro. Goal different to the dog. Goal different, bro. This 5 minute candle got 20 seconds left, chat. And I say, yo, once we get a closure below, we can look for sales off of the next 5 minute candle. But before 20 seconds, goal basically fill the entire range before 20 seconds, bro. Less than 20 seconds, we fill the range and reverse. What the fuck? Candle still not close yet. No, we close below. Can we get a top wick, chat? Need a top wick first. My TP was at 41.33. So chat, let me delete these levels and get some new levels mark up, cause goal moving different, bro. One thing though, chat, me now FOMO into no trade. Any trade me I take off a bit aligned with my plan 100%, not even 90. That 14. Alright, chat. So basically, when I pre, we got 17 minutes left till the 30-minute candle close. This 5-minute candle above will close in 2 minutes. So if this candle close below, chat, if we get a bearish closure below, we'll wait for another top wick before we look for sells. But if we close bullish respecting, like not bullish, if we close bearish respecting, then you would expect the next can go open up, push down first, and then flip back bullish. And now we're back into this range, because we have a level from like right, so go up towards, go up towards 37. This is like, if this can go flip bullish, would I know into a whole new range. So that's why I'm gonna wait until we get a closure. Can we close below this range, or we are going to close back above this range? So we got a minute left, chat. Once we get a closure that confirm everything. So this 1 minute can go close below 5 minute candle have a minute left until we close. I wait on the 5 minute chat. I wait on the 5 minute candle closure. Or would I look for enter or would I look for enter cells on the next minute candle closure, but not this one. Bro, add me on Discord, bro. I think we have like a couple people in a Discord. Legend of my dog, Jamar, me have Skilly. But yeah, you can add me. My username is SenselessFX, so say accept ya. Alright, bro, I got you, bro. Locked in. We got like 5 seconds left for our chat. We might get an entry, but first I need to see a top week chat. If we can top 41.24, would I look for get some week entry sales chat at 41.24. Can go need for flip bullish and top this level. My market execute sells once we tap this level chat. Kinda like a stretch, but that's how it have to be like. Now settle down for less. Need to see this can go flip bullish and push up towards this level. But you don't have to do that before we fill the range chat, cause if we push down first and fill the range and then we start to push up, then would I just avoid the weak entry sells cause we print a low first. And once we print a low, then the weak entry sells get risky. I don't know why me I stutter. Just pop straight out and fill the range. Chat goal just push down and fill the range, but I not chase goal still. Not chase, not FOMO into no sales chat. Like any sales I take have to be aligned with my plan like 100%. Even though price I push down, I can't FOMO. Can't FOMO fuck up the win streak, bro. They're like a 18 win streak right now. Like now FOMO into a trade, bro. Any trade I take, I feel like a line 100%, bro. Every level I need to see like get top, once the level get top before I enter. That's why I say I take a trade yet, even though we're clearly going down. But I can't just enter just because of that. I need entry confirmation first. You see my chat? Might get an entry soon though, chat. Might get some entry soon. Once we get like a closure, cause me have like idea for like closures below. Once again, but this could have been what this could have been break even area. Yeah, that good. Alright, chat. So can we get a closure below the range though? We still got what 16 seconds left. Need to see this can go close back below. Once we get a closure below 13, chat, I'm gonna look for sales. We got like a minute left until this 5 can go close. But before I look for sales, I still need to see a top wick chat. Like for example, if this can go close below 41.13. Before I enter sales, I need to see the next can go push up first, sprint a top wick 41.15 minimum. So once that happens, if the candle might should flip back bearish, then I look for put sales, like I put sales stop on the candle flip. Once we flip, if we manage for top 41.11, this would be a risk-free trade. And if we continue down, I look for close full at 41.09. That would be like the range fill. But we got 16 seconds left. We need a closure below. No, FOMO is also a good trade. Yeah, bro, for real. Like, we can't FOMO, dog. Like, that shit just... Bro, the way me trade, I find it really hard for just FOMO into a trade. Now, because goal I got out, me literally watch it, like, drop. And if me not get an entry confirmation, me nah enter. Won't enter, bro. This shit drop like what? I measure this whole entire drop, bro. See? So like 300 pips. And that's not even the entire move. But that takes skill though. Not everybody can just watch price move and don't enter. Most people would have been for a long time. Chat more, I'd like next month, like the month end, whenever the month end, I add like an overall like calculator to my journal to calculate everything overall, like every single thing. Like all like every single trade from 2024 straight up till now. Bro, this can gonna take so long for close, dog, I swear. But chat, this like price finally will top 41.10. Yeah, Zimmy says like if price flip back bullish, we get closures back above the range, we could look for buys, chat. But for right now, we not even, I'm sure no matter about. So like how we push down, we top 41.11. See if this 50 minute can go flip back bullish, we actually get like closures back above. So we have like a level right here. This is like a resistance. If price manage to close above it, if price push up and manage to close above this level, we could look for buys going up towards like the range fill, because now we would enter into a new range. Now this are the range we're in, from like 42 go up towards 48. So we could look for buys if this can go flip bullish and actually close bullish above the range. But we got 6 minutes left. We have to wait and see how this can actually close. Just gonna watch you. Alright, bro. Um, I try my best to like break down everything so you can understand the idea behind everything. The idea, the idea behind the stop loss, the idea behind the break even, the idea behind the trade. I make sure try my best to break down everything. But chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. May I forward? Just give me 2 seconds. This candle, we still got 6 minutes until this 15 candle close. So most likely we're gonna wait and see how this candle close. If we close bearish below or we close bullish back into the range. But give me like 2 seconds, chat. Bro, them pitting at 9 in the dog, I swear, bro. I don't know, dog. Well, I'm gonna call my sister, tell her if we can get them, bro. Them fucking pitting at 9, bro. Nah, the fuck out of my dog. Jesus Christ, man can't even focus, bro. When now they go through the clip, beating your brain, dog. Still got 4 minutes left though, chat. I will see if we can actually get a closure back into the range. Finally, dog. Finally, bro. Let's go on. Let's go on with them, bro. I don't even care, bro. Appeal them not listen. They don't listen, bro. Let's go on with them, bro. I'm gonna bust my brain now, morning, dog. Me upon that. You know, fuck up the whole movement, bro. Sealer, alright, Chai. So we get a closure back into the range. Miss the weekend trip by, but that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. Or we don't miss it, you know? Can still look for weekend trip buys once we top 21, 41, 21. So chat, let me get some levels mark up real quick. Because me that hunger some just now, bro. Can't even focus, dog. 25, that would have been the 15 can go flip. We got range going up towards 27. But before we flip, either we flip now at 22. This level is a good level. Price could definitely flip right now, or we push down towards 21. We push down towards 40, 21. Once we tap this level, chat, we'll look for a weekend trip buys, chat. Once we tap 40, 21. Nice. Alright, chat. I look for a weekend trip buy right now. Devil have MT5 loaded, dog. Alright, chat. So I just got into buys, chat. Just got into buys just now. Of this 15 Kanga. Once it push down and tap 22. So the idea, I just basically expect this 15 Kanga for flip bullish after we print a low. Once we flip bullish, I measure the range going up. It's like 40 when you flip. So yeah, I just the Kanga flip would have been my advantage point, chat. And in this case, when I put my stop loss, let me measure this. It's like what, 120? $120 is a 180. It's a 200. And the rebreak of the lows are 120. Alright. Put one lever right, sir. Put this on the rebreak of the lows. Hold on, chat. Just give me a quick second, bro. It's our 70. Alright, that would have been decent. Alright, chat. So in this case, chat, my stop loss would have been at 200 pip stops. You see me? I'm gonna tell you the exact level. Stop loss in this case would have been at 41. No, not 40. Not 41. 40.99.93. Chat. That would have been my stop loss. 40.99.93. Because once we break this level, we're gone, bro. Now the trade completely invalid. Here's my chat. Entry was a weak entry off for the 15 can go flip. But hold on there. I'm gonna place that real quick. I'm gonna place that 40.99.93. Alright. So yeah, chat. Entry was basically off the 15 candle. I expect this 15 candle for flip bullish after we print a low. And my advantage point would have been on the 50 candle flip. Cause once we flip bullish, that's like a 40. Is it? Yeah. No, that's a 36 pip range going up. Yes, in my chat. Once we flip bullish. And we could look for risk free the trade once we tap 23, 41, 23 would have moved stop loss to break even. So yeah. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade, chat. I know I could break it down like, you know, cause I did do something. Kinda even late. I'm kinda even late for jumping on a trade. But that's how you go. That's how you go, chat. I'm gonna say, so this would be break even, chat. 4123.02. If price tap this level, I'm gonna look for risk free the position. Can we tap just one more pop? Nice. This is now a risk free trade, chat. Stop loss at break even. And once we fill the range, would have closed full. can we fill the range? And as I'm say, this is a risk-free trade, chat. Make sure stop loss at break even minimum. And once we tap 25, chat, mega close full. That's like the 30-minute candle flip. You can close half and whole, cause once this 30-minute candle flip, once this candle flip bullish, we could continue for push. You see my chat? So yeah, you can look for close half and the candle flip, but me most likely would have close full once this candle flip, or if we flip. Worst case, this is a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss already at break even, so we're good. Alright, I think break even just get hit, chat. So yeah, that was a break even trade. I swear, I'm gonna feel like my brain even like focus right now. But yeah, chat, that was a break even trade. I think we peaked 29 pips. Never close full, but it is what it is, bro. The overall range was like, it was a 37 pip range, but I think we see like 29 pips in profit, and then we hit break even. What time? We still got an hour left, chat. I usually trade until 11 o'clock, so I still there look for your next trade, but I journal this first. I add this to the journal. That was a break even trade. It was a weekend trade off the 15-minute time frame. And after we hit break even, imagine this flip, bro. Imagine this can go flip. But chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. I fall back and we journal the trade, mark up some new levels, and we'll see if we can get like a new trade, a second trade. But give me like 2 seconds, chat. I fall. No fucking way. That shit weird. We got hit. We got stop out at break even, chat, and just look at that. Once the can go flip, we pop, bro. But damn, GG's. We leave like a reminisce fine. We did not talk too much about it, chat. I'ma just delete everything and get some new levels markup. My journal that trade there. After I'm done trade, my journal the break even. Journal everything at once. But we still got 5 minutes left, chat. Yeah. First trade was a break even trade. It is what it is. Let me see the levels that we got going up. And the way break at the high, that's like a 30 pip range. Let me see. Can we get a bottom wick though, chat? Like, chat, we could attempt weekend buys, but this can go need for push down first. Like, we need for top 41.26. Weekend buys, would expect this can go for flip back bullish and fill the range. But would I need this facility can go actually push down first. If not, I will just pop and fill the range and a GG's. $16, $35, $21. Oh, this look. Alright, let me adjust that. Come on, chat. We still got range going up, chat. No FOMO. As I'm say, chat, we never FOMO, chat. Even if me get a trade, wait, the candle push down. Nice. Alright, chat. So look. Remember me saying I look for a weekend trip buy right here, so chat, but guess what? We print a high first. So now the weekend trip buy, now it becomes like 50-50. We never push down first and tap this level. We print a high, so now price can literally just continue down. But what we can do, we can look for put buy stop on the rebreak of the highest chart. Cause if we print a high, print a low, if we rebreak is high, we should be able to push up and fill the range. And the range going up from the rebreak of the high, the range going up is a 30 pip range. So that would have be good, chat. Buy stop on the rebreak of the highs, chat. My place buy stop at 4131.98. Let me place that real quick. Buy stop on the rebreak of the high, 4131.98. So I have buy stop on the rebreak of the highs, chat. I'm not activated as yet because as I'm say, it's like an extra confirmation, chat. Instead of entering a weekend trip buys, once the price actually reject, flip back bullish, push back up above the range, once price rebreak its highs, then would I expect we get a quick pop up towards the range fill. It's like a 30 pip range going up. So yeah. No weekend entry. I'm not activated as yet. It's just buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. Think that's the rebreak of the 15 highs as well. And may I delete buy stop if we close below the range, chat. If we get a closure below the range, then I go delete buy stop. But we not close yet. We still got time. This candle can still rebreak the highs. This one. Chat, and in this case, chat, if this will happen, chat, we could use like the 4-hour candle low or the current candle low. We could use the current hourly candle low as our stop loss, chat. If we forget activated on the rebreak of the highs, if price push up rebreak the highs, get activated, we could use the current candle low as our stop loss and look for target the range fill. And if you don't want to close full, you can just close half and hold runner towards 40.38, 41.38. But yeah, chat, we'll just wait and see. Let me move this and put one red line. Still got buy stop, chat. I just remove the buy and sell tool because I'm not activated as yet. Wrong one. Still have it though. And once we tap, yeah, if we forget activated in buys, chat, just remember we break even level would be at 41.33. Once we tap 41.33.02, the trade will be a risk-free trade. Yeah, cause that's a minor rejection level. So once if we get activated and push up towards this level, the trade would be break even. Just a minor rejection. Put that. Nice. Yeah, let me see. So this 5-minute candle will close. Why the range going up? The range going up at our 27. It's at 19 towards the rebreak at the highs. This 15-minute candle flip. We got range going up. So you know what, chat? Chat, may I go adjust that. May I put buy stop on the 15-minute candle rebreak at the highs instead. You see me, chat? Cause once it's 15-minute candle rebreak the highs, that would have been decent. So I got buy stop at 4130.11. 4130.11, chat. The 15-minute candle rebreak at the highs. Buy stop 4130.11. I can't even place buy stop, bro. Price already pushed. But yeah, chat, me even get a chance to place buy stop. But yeah. So I say go. So I'm not in, chat. But if you're in, damn, look at that. Just look at that, bro. Would have basically, if we use the rebreak at the highs, we could have the previous candle wick fill to our advantage. So once we fill the wick, yeah, chat, this would have been close full. But yeah, it just happened too fast. And me delete the buy stop when I have on the rebreak at the 15-minute candle highs. So GG's once again. All we can do, chat, is wait for a closure above, chat. Cause we not get closures above as yet. Still haven't gotten a closure above the range. 1 minute time frame, we could look for take it off at the minute time frame, but would I need to see like this make can go push down on top 30 at least. Would I need a bottom wick first. GG's, bro. Nah, gonna lie, chat. Today is like, maybe I expect today to be a good day, but bro, it is a good day, but not for me. Just not for me, but it is a good day though. Man, wait on this 5-minute candle closure, chat. If this 5-minute candle can manage to stay above 41.31, this yellow line, we can manage to actually close above. The next candle open up and we push down first, top 41.30, and then flip bullish. We could look for buys on the next candle flip. Yes, let me chat. The next 5-minute candle, but we got 30 seconds left. We'll just wait and see. We close bullish respecting. That's crazy. We still never managed to close bullish above, chat. We get a bullish closure. Respecting. We never close bullish above, but if this candle push down first, flip bullish, and we start get closures above 41.30, thing would have still be good. That still be good, chat. Weekend buys them kinda deadly, cause we print a high just now. We already have a high, so this now must reject, chat. We can just push straight down. So that's why I avoid the weekend buys at this point. You can still play out, but it's just like 50. It's just like a B setup. You see me? Because we already print a high. So it's not the same anymore. Rather wait for price print a low and then push back up, flip bullish and close back above the range before I look for execute buys. What if I'm almost? I'm out. What we are going to do with bad mind? But chat, may I wait until we get a closure, chat. Feel me? Like we have like wow 6 minutes until the 15 can go close. This 5-minute candle above for closing and the next minute. So it's like if we get a closure above 41.30, we'll look for buys going up towards 34. And if we get a closure below, that is why I'm have to wait for the closure, cause this hourly candle can still flip bearish shot, and if we flip bearish, now we in a whole nother lane. If me look for buyers above 30, we have to make sure we get a closure above, cause if not and this candle flip bearish, this hourly candle if we flip bearish, now we in a whole new range. This is a whole new range. That would have been some crazy drawdown. So this is why I want to make sure we get a closure above first, chat. Once we get a closure above 41.30, then we look for execute buys. Well, we got no closures above yet, and this hourly candle can definitely still flip bearish. So I have to be careful. I'd make sure I add like the extra confirmation to the buys them, chat. Because this hourly candle still got 30 minutes left. That's a lot of time. We'll flip bearish or whatever. I don't know, I feel like my brain I move too fast. I have to slow down a little bit. Chat. I'm not gonna lie, chat, like today we are rate Twitter price action like a 8 or a 7. I would say like a 7 out of 10. Even though we hit break even, the price action clean, no joke. It's not super clean, but price action and market actually moving, bro. We're moving a lot. I'm just not getting a trade yet because I'm not second for less. Well, I get a trade. We hit break even, chat. We hit break even. We was up like 29 pips in profit and we hit break even. But yeah, just I go and be patient still. More say like any other trade me I take chat off your line. If me not get nothing by 11 o'clock, me I call it a day. Call it a day at 11. I will just come back tomorrow. And we keep the win streak alive. Cause right now, chat, we're on a crazy win streak. If you don't know, we're on like, think it's like a 18 win streak. We haven't lost a trade in a whole entire month, bro. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 actually. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, bro. Have a good one, bro. See you tomorrow, bro. But I'm gonna be here like for like 30 more minutes. In the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna call it a stream. But we might get a closure above, chat. Like if we can manage to get a closure above, that would have been decent. Let's price print another mini low towards 49, 41.29. That would have been good. I'm gonna put buy stop on the candle flip. I'm gonna expect price for continue up towards 34 levels. And we could have used the 5-minute candle wick to our advantage. But I got like 30 more minutes until I leave, chat. 30 more minutes. What we are gonna do with Batman? Get them out. In the next 30 minutes, chat, if I not see no entries, nothing, I call it a day. I call it a day in the next 30 minutes, but I wait a little bit. I think gold done move for the day, you know. We still have a lot of movements left, bro. They don't know how far I'm coming from. No closure, still got 2 minutes left. Minute candle indeed did close, but I thought a minute candle chat. I want like a 5-minute candle closure. You see me? Because the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. Here's in my chat. We got like a minute left, chat. 1 minute until this 5-minute candle close. So I want to see a closure above the range. Alright, chat. So indeed we get a closure above. So can this candle push down, chat? If we push down, we top 30 levels. Like once we tap this level, I'm gonna look for some weak entry buy off of this level, chat. It's going to be a market execution right there. Oh, hold on. Alright, chat. So I'm just market execute buys just now, chat. Market execute buys at 40.30. Yeah. Basically the idea, I'm gonna just expect a range fill, chat. That's it. And stops, the same sealer. The same stops, chat. Would I put stops on the rebreak of the lows? You see me? I break a structure. That's like 150 pip stops. Nothing crazy. But the range going up our 36. We have like a 36 pip range going up. So chat, that's the trade I got into. Stops on the breaker structure right, so I'm giving it the exact level. I'm putting my stops right, so once we break this level, then no need for me being at this trade anymore. The trade will be invalid. So my stops would be at 40, 41, 14.69. That would have been my stops, chat. 41.14.69. And my TP would have be at 41.33.26. See the range going up. It's like a 35 pip range going up. And once this can go flip, the can go flip. If this can go flip, this would be a risk-free trade, chat. And they can go flip. We got like 3 minutes left. 7 minutes left until this 15 close. Can this 5 minute can go flip? Hold on, that shit. Hold on. Let me see some. Okay. Wait, chat. That's the trade I got into. Hopefully, I understand the idea behind the trade. No, nothing else not really in my control, but just wait and see how this can actually react. Whether we win, lose, or draw, we just fall back tomorrow and do the same thing, you know. I'm a TP level, chat. Like, I'm giving it the exact level. 4134.20. I told me never really usually say TP. Manually like close whenever price push up. But like if you say TP, like the exact level when I put my TP or my close full a 4134.10. Breaking the lows, 5-minute candle flip bearish. No, not the 5, that's the 15. Got like 3 seconds left. So chat, we never flip bullish on the 5. We end up push straight down, close below. We have a late candle for the 5. We even close below with we have no bottom wick on this 5-minute candle. Usually when a candle close like that, you would expect the next candle to reject. Because a wick is a range. If we close without no bottom wick, then I expect like the next candle for reject, chat. But yeah, we'll see. I'm still in the trade. The trade is not like invalid as yet, chat. Still good. Got 4 minutes left until we get a closure on the 15 time frame, chat. As long as this 15 can go close bullish, if we close bullish above 30, we're good. We got like 4 minutes left. As long as we can get a bullish closure. I just wait 3 minutes to see how the candle close, chat. You see me? The 15-minute time frame. We in a little bit of drawdown. I think the drawdown was what? I think we're going at 35 pip drawdown. Now we're back up to break even. But yeah, chat, we're still not close yet though. We still got 2 minutes left until we close. And we need to see this 15-minute candle. If we close bullish above the range, we're good. As long as we not close bearish below 26. Everything good. In chat, yeah, my sim managers, if we start a flip and start a close below, we start print lower highs. Like if it starts the price do something like this, if we fail for push up, flip bearish, we'll start for like push down, break the levels then and we'll start print lower highs chat. Or like tap this level right or so, push back up, print another lower high and we'll fall down and we'll close back below. You might see my managers chat like you see me adjust my stop loss based off of how price print, you see me? And the structure. If we have structure on the way down, yeah, see me like managers. I see me move my stop loss to a low. But we're far from that still, you see me? We still got a minute left, we still can get a chance to close bullish above the range. May I thought like if price start go against we and start break structure on the way down. You see me? Then you would see me. So I start manage risk. But for right now, we got a minute left. We'll focus on this candle closure, see if we can close above the range before we do anything else. Alright chat, so we get a closure above, but we might need another low, so we would expect some more drawdown chat, cause even if price I go push up, before price push up we're going to need for print a low first, and then after we print a low, once we flip back bullish, then you would expect the push. You see my chat, so yeah, would I expect some more drawdown. This could be the low right here chat, this could be the low, and price could even push further. Price could even push further. We have more levels on the way down, so we can reject off of any one of these levels chat, anyone. So yeah, we'll just see which, I'll just wait and see which level price reject offer. If we can manage to flip back bullish on this 50-minute candle and fill the previous candle wick, that would have been decent. What time? Almost 11 o'clock. Chat, why is Kangle look like it a struggle? Like, I think this is the second time we flip, right? Would I expect once we print a load this Kangle flip, we should be able to get a quick pop. There is the pop. There is the move, chat. So chat, this is a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss to break even, chat. This is now a risk-free trade. We top 32, we top 41.32, so this is a risk-free trade, chat. You see me? Stop loss to break even. Minimum. Stop loss to break even minimum, chat. What we are gonna do with bad man? Chat, if we hit break even on this trade, chat, then GG's. If this pushback to break even is just GG's, chat, I swear. That's like the second break even for the day if we hit break even on this trade. We got what? We got 40 seconds until this 5-minute candle close, chat. So can we close bullish? If this candle can actually close bullish above the range, then we might survive. But nah, break even got hit, chat. GG's. So break even just got hit. Yeah. That's like the second break even for the day, chat. So you go. And 11 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock. So most likely that's it for the day. You see me, chat? No joke. Can go slap break even quick. You even get a chance. But yeah, chat. So that is the second break even for the day, chat. You see me? May I just call it a day. You see me, chat? Fall back tomorrow and see. I may have to go journal in 2 trades there too. 2 break even. Today Tuesday, right? Yeah. But yeah, chat, that's it for now. I'm leave a trade no more for the day. You see me? We get like 2 buy and both of them hit break even. So I have to just call it a day and forward back tomorrow. You see me? But respect to everybody who followed out on your stream. You can just drop a like. Drop a like on your way out, chat. You see me? May see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll see if we have news or forward out tomorrow. Yeah, we have news at 8:30. We have unemployment or forward out tomorrow, same way. So that is it, chat. Me soon. Is it.